third way to make an ombre. This is an excellent tip, especially when you're doing larger pieces and you just kind of want to get on with it a little bit. So we are going to start with cocoa and the traditional classic of graphite. I have the same demo board that I used in the first two quick tip demos. Went ahead and repainted this the Paris gray, so it's a nice contrast color. You can see what I'm doing really well. I picked all of this merely just as the projection of how it's coming across on camera, so you can get a really good visual. So this is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pour these paints out, and I'm going to show you how to do, or another way that you can do an ombre. So all ready to go. I've poured out the paints. I've got 2 brushes and a roller. Easy peasy. Simple. Let me show you what I'm going to do here. I just recommend that you have something flat to use your roller on. So I've used an old cutting board and I put saran wrap around it. So that way when I'm finished, I just take the saran wrap off, toss it, paint's all finished, got my project done, still have my cutting board. So just a simple way if you need something flat to put your paint on to use your roller. So all I'm going to do first, so I'm going to go horizontal with this one so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. And I am going to go ahead and put my colors down. So this is a great way when you're doing your drawers. So say you've got this kind of a flat dresser, those like 3 or 5 drawer dressers. Take the drawers out, go ahead and use this technique. It will save you a lot of time and still give you a really nice ombre effect, and mostly you're just gonna save time. Again, I'm just getting the paint down. It does not matter what brushes you use. Make sure you've got water on hand, so any type of spray bottle that you're using. So just line up your color where you want it. Put a little bit down there on there by accident. And now I'll take my roller. What I recommend is both your colors are side by side and just roll it. So you're going to have 1 and 2. I would show you on the camera, but I'm kind of multitasking as it is. I am a one-man show. Doesn't have to be perfect. because they're going to be blended together anyway, right? Start with a little bit. Try not to oversaturate your roller. Just start with a little bit so you can see some moisture, but nothing too thick. Then start to bring them together. Just gonna add a little tiny bit of water here because I can feel the paint starting to dry on us. It's so easy. So this really makes it easy for any kind of blending, not just the ombre style. But you can bring your top color down, you can bring your lower color up. And just keep, you're almost just smoking it into each other, but you're doing it with this rather than the hand stroking of the paintbrush. So you just bring it up a little bit. And don't ever worry about making a mistake with this. This is just practice, and trust me, it's pretty easy. So if you make a little boo-boo, grab a little bit more paint on your roller in the same color format and just keep stroking back and forth. So again, this is great for the larger project pieces and you just want that nice, easy, kind of getting on with it kind of feeling, and it really looks quite beautiful. You could bring it up a little bit more if you wanted to. You could bring this down a little bit. It's that easy. So yeah. You can always go back if you have a little bit of your upper color down here and you just want to fade it out a bit. Just use nice light strokes. Because with rollers, what's going to happen is you're going to have like a, I guess, not a sponge kind of finish, but it's got a little bit of a stipple to it. So you can just take your brush very lightly and just smooth it. Just smooth it a little bit. And same with the upper. Just smoothing that in. All we want to do is just smooth it out. There's a lot of texture on this board now, so it's picking up the piece. Wet. That's okay. But anyhow, I think you get the gist. So yeah, again, I just chose these colors because I just thought it would show really nicely on camera, that kind of contrast, how easy it is just to blend with the and yeah, especially, you know, experienced or not experienced, this really comes in handy with larger furniture projects. Like I've done armoires, huge dressers. Maybe this is even something that you wanted to do for a wall. So you might want a bigger roller, just in case. Anyhow, lots of really fun ideas coming in the new year for tip tutorials. So again, if you found this helpful, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment box below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if the quick tip demos are resourceful and helpful for you, because again, I want to make them quick. I want to get these ones even shorter if I can, but I want to make sure that the value and the learning process is well thought out for you, so you can get all those specific details, as well as, yeah, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.